closing the aircraft door shortly. At this time, all your alarm ports and electronic devices to be turned off and properly stowed. You may continue to utilize small layaway devices to ensure they're placed into airplane mode. For our passengers sitting in our United First and our Economy Plus cabin all the way to row 21, if you have plugged any items into the power outlets, they all need to be unplugged at this time. Once again, please unplug all your outlets. Burning or using a word mouse for this evening's flight. Our flight time this evening will be approximately 30 minutes. We direct your attention to very important safety presentation. Please review the safety card located at your seat. Follow along as you review the safety features of this Airbus A319. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you should be seated with your seatbelt fastened tightly across your lap. To fasten, slide the flat metal lid into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated, even when the seatbelt sign is off. This Airbus A319 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slides detached from the aircraft and are used for flotation. There are also 2 window exits over the wings. When open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, do not use the window exits as advised by exit number. All 6 exits are marked with a red sign. Please look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will guide you to an exit. Look for a change in color or exit sign to indicate you have reached an exit. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask, extend the plastic tubing, and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You will find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If present, remove the strap from the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, e-cigarettes, and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions. We will be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your personal electronic devices are unplugged from the outlets, turned off and stowed. Small lightweight devices must be unplugged from the outlets, switched to airplane mode and secured. Your tray table, carry-on items, and headrest should also be stowed. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Food or beverage items must be collected or put away for departure.
Alright folks, seatbelts on, sit back forward please.
We will be dimming the cabin lights for our flight this evening to Dallas. We recommend you fasten your seatbelt over your outermost garment so you do not need to wait should the seatbelt sign be illuminated during our flight. Thank you again for flying with us this evening from Houston to Dallas for work. I'll be back with more details about the flight once we're in the air. We welcome you on board United.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please make sure that all electronic devices are in airplane mode at this time. We see a lot of electronic devices on. Please switch them to airplane mode. It is for your safety. We do this so the transmit device will not interfere with the cockpit. Thank you.
miles out. Should put us on the ground in roughly 15 minutes. Most currently, the winds are from the south at 10 miles an hour. Mostly clear skies. About 88 degrees. So again, we'll be there shortly. Sure appreciate you choosing United, and we do hope to see you again, sir. Thank you.
The double triads are indication we're in final approach into Dallas-Fort Worth. At this time, do ensure those seatbelts are securely fastened. Please stow your tray table to the up and lock position. Bring your seat back to its full upright position. For the passengers sitting on your United First and Economy Plus cabin, if you plug any items into the power outlets, unplug them at this time. Flight attendants will come to the cabin, making their final safety checks, and we'll be landing shortly. Gentlemen, United would like to welcome you to Dallas-Fort Worth, where the local time is approximately 9:10. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes to remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain feels it is safe for you to be up and about the cabin and he has turned off the seatbelt sign. You may now use your cell phones to make calls, however all other electronic devices should remain off and stowed until we arrive at the gate. When opening the overhead compartments this evening, please do so slowly and carefully. Do use caution when retrieving your articles, which may have shifted during our flight and landing. And please do not smoke until you're in the area within the airport. On behalf of your Houston-based in-flight crew, it's certainly been our pleasure having you on board with us this short flight today from Houston to Dallas-Fort Worth. We realize you have a choice of air carrier. We are thankful you chose us here at United. Have a pleasant stay in Dallas-Fort Worth or wherever your final travels may take you. Enjoy the rest of your Friday and have a great weekend. Good evening.
Thank you.
All 11 hours.
Have a good night.